Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today we're gonna make a very quick and easy squid ink soup. So let's get started. Here's a couple of ingredients that you need: some garlic, shallots, chili, and of course some squid. You guys can use more than one, but I'm just gonna be using one for today. So let's start by cleaning the squid first. What we're going to do is start extracting the cuttle bone or the backbone of the squid, just right there. And then we're going to move on to the head. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look out for this ink sac just like that. And we're going to puncture it, and that is what is going to create that squid ink that we need. And once you're done, just slice out the remainder of the squid and set it aside. Let's move on to the rest of our ingredients. I'm going to just chop up 1 chili, slice up 2 to 3 shallots right there, and I'm going to use about a tablespoon of garlic as well. So once we've got all our ingredients ready, let's get started on cooking. On a medium flame, we're going to drizzle some oil into the pan, and we're going to add in all our sliced ingredients. A tablespoon of garlic, our chili, our shallots, and we're just going to fry them up until it becomes fragrant. And we're going to add in about half a cup of water and pour in our squid ink and then the rest of our squid into the pot. So we're just going to allow that to simmer for a minute or two. And also don't forget to add in some salt to taste. Now you guys might be wondering how much squid ink that you have to add in. This is totally your preference. So I just added about like half a bowl of it, so just to create some color into the soup. So that's it you guys, it's all finished. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more easy breezy recipes. Thanks for watching, bye guys!